AI is good at three things: education, optimization, and creativity. Let's start with education. Welcome to the AI Factory by BizRise.io, our free educational community to show you how to optimize a process with AI, create your own AI assistants, and how to develop your own platform on a no code, low code solution called Flutterflow. There's some amazing technology available. We'll show you how to get started. To get started, let's understand what the Community Assist is and how it works. So we'll get into BizRise.io. Now these are just screenshots, but we wanted to make a video really on how the process works so you have an understanding of what we have going on behind the scenes. When you first get to BizRise.io, we have some sort of a walkthrough or an animation to have your attention go to the Community Assist. Your landing page is more important than ever. You don't have time to have 2 or 3 pages. Make number 1 ready to go to direct your users where you want them to get started and make it clear on your page. Now from there we have walkthroughs. These are a really effective way to guide your users through your process to show them, hey, this is how you're going to get set up, this is how you're going to make money, this is how you're going to develop your community. However, you don't need them on every page. So what's the solution? Well, we just gave the welcome page the most detailed walkthrough, but then we'll put buttons on each page so if users want to start the walkthrough, they can. If they don't want to do it, they're not going to be going to each page and having a pop-up hit them in the face. We just want to do it on that first welcome page and maybe 1 or 2 after that, and then they'll know what to do on the next steps. So from there, we're going to give it a name. And where we're going to name this community on our Flutterflow web app is going to be stored in a place called Firebase. Now, think about Firebase as like your storage facility for all the information in your app. What's cool about Flutterflow is it provides a really awesome UI and interactive experience for your users to have fun on a clean, professional, modern look. Good thing about it too is it's developed with Dart. So it's going to be on a future forward coding platform that will be there in the future and be able to continue and grow and scale with you and your community. In order to grow your community, we're going to nail down your target market, and this is where we're going to start bringing in some AI, and what it is Gemini. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll put in 3 skills, passions, or hobbies. And then from there on the back end, what's going on is it's basically a prompt stack with Gemini. Hey, based on these 3 specific skills, hobbies, or interests, create a target market for this community and focus in on a niche, a niche, however you say the word. Make it effective for the user to have a successful community and be able to grow and monetize it based on their interests. From there, we're going to go to a pop-up page so you can see the information, review it, edit it as you see fit. This isn't the last time you're going to be able to edit it, but you want to make sure it's where you want it because we're going to take it and turn it into an AI assistant for your community. On the Identify Problems page, it's going to work somewhat of the same, but what we're trying to do here is find opportunities within your niche, your niche, or your niche. I got to stop that, I will. But what we're trying to do is figure out, all right, what can you improve on within that niche to generate a successful community where people want to come, hang out, and learn from your content. The creator economy is going to be huge, but we need to focus in on what you do, how it's specific to what your community can do to improve and grow and help that person monetize it. From there, make sure you save and edit and do the same thing. Put in a couple YouTube channels that you like that you can find inspiration from. Make sure mine's one of them. Then we'll into what's working. So when you get going, let's just start with what's already working for either you or successful other communities. Take that, do more of it, do a lot of it, and get it out there. Gemini will help you create some more ideas, really focus in on what you're doing, and make a razor sharp plan with you to be ready to grow and scale your community. Let's bring in some sauce. What's your value add? What do you bring to the equation, and how can you do this differently? There's a huge trend to live creator economy. If you're not live streaming right now, what are you doing? Templates are like typewriters. That's old school. It's time to go live, optimize your process with AI, and we're going to show you how to do it. Make sure you edit and save. From there, we'll have enough information to generate a full community plan for you. Make sure you review, edit, and save, which will include free offer ideas, different ways to price your community, how to create a sense of urgency for people to join your community. It's free now, but it's not going to be forever. The price is going up. This is for my initial users, the foundation, the core, the ones that were here before it blew up. But then you need a bonus offer. What else can you bring to the table? We have a free plan. We're going to create free AI assistants. What about how can we use this same process to optimize e-commerce, create your own web app, or be ready for what's next in the AI generation of agents? It is going to provide you with a detailed course description to structure out what you need to do to get done to grow your community and teach people based on your hobbies, skills, or interests. It's even going to write you a course outline. You just have to set up and execute. That's it. From there, you'll create a free account in BizRise.io. And what we're going to do here is get you logged into BizRise.io. This will allow you to see your community plan. It'll be organized better than the email you get. When you receive the email, it's just going to be an entire list of words. But don't worry, within BizRise on that dashboard, we're going to have it organized and ready for you to create AI assistants really quickly. When you get logged in, make sure you click on Send Email. Now it's going to open your native email application in Google Chrome. So in order to change that, you're going to have to go into the settings and set that to Gmail or whatever your default or main email application is. Mine's Gmail, so I'm going to set it to that. I will do a separate tutorial on how to get that done. From there, make sure you upload a course logo. You want to have that logo and brand represented from the first time you log onto the app to make sure when you create social posts, people can recognize your brand, your community, and really see what you have going on. The next step would be to set your pricing options. Now understand, these are just to kind of keep track of really the options you have and what you have going and what you're planning on doing for your community. You're going to have to go to your community and set those prices as is or wherever your digital product is, but it's going to give you a good structure to get started. From there, you'll end up on our course homepage. Make sure you click on your community and you'll be navigated to the details or the course homepage. I think I said that twice, but welcome to the dashboard. On this dashboard, you're going to have your community assist. From here, what we'll do is we'll take it, we'll copy and paste some of those sections and create AI assistants that can live on your Flutterflow app to be assistants for people setting up their AI communities.